Okay, this is a Rocky Mountain RMHE338. If you can see that in there, just like so. Basically, you're just going to pull these two screws out to get it off the door, and then you're going to have this cylinder right here. So we'll just go ahead and take this. You only need to release one side. Just like so. Screw out, fling that over, that will release the cylinder, and then this is going to rekey just like any normal Schlage cylinder. Press your detent down. That's going to all come out of there. Put it somewhere where you can get it again. Insert key, turn 90 degrees. I'm just adding a master pin to this for this particular application. You could redump the pins and repin if you wanted, but they just want to add an extra key to this one. Then you will insert, like so. Put your little bypass cover on, and I like to put the cap on like this, where there's no hole exposed, and that way you can at least get a couple threads started before you have to depress the detent, if that makes any sense. So see how it can't let that detent through? Basically, what you're doing is depressing it and getting it started all in one shot, and then we can go ahead and find it as we need it here. Rotate it back. There it is. Now we'll press it down, tighten, and back off one. And bingo, add a little bit of lubrication, and reinsert up over the top. Reinsert your screw. Retighten. Then all you need to do is reinsert this in the door, and you're good to go. That's how you rekey the Rocky Mountain lever set hardware like this with multi-point doors.